Today we're going to talk about how we clean gutters here in North Texas with Blue Ladder. Hi, my name is Ben, and I am the owner. Every time when we arrive, knock on the door, let the customers know that we're here and we're going to get started, and we're ready to go. We suit up wearing these cougar paw boots, which grip like glue so we can safely walk around with confidence on those rooftops. Now, my preferred method for cleaning gutters is using a leaf blower as shown, blowing those leaves out and making sure that all those downspouts are clear so that there's no blockages to come. Now, I always offer 3 options for gutter cleaning. This is our basic package that we're doing today, which includes the removal of all the debris from gutters and downspouts and is guaranteed for no clogs for at least 30 days. The next step up would be our Deluxe Package, which includes the same removal of debris, plus any additional repair work, such as the reattachment of gutters or downspouts, and the resealing of any seams that might be leaking. And for this package, we'll return within the next 60 days if you have any further issues. The third option would be our Premium Package, which includes everything we've spoken of in the other packages, plus the installation of a high-end micro mesh stainless steel gutter guard. Now, in this instance, there was a pergola or some type of a patio cover over those gutters, and so we couldn't reach them, so I had to take the ladder over and scoop them out by hand. You never know how muddy the debris is going to be in a place like this. The gutters could have been cleaned in the last year, or it could have been a couple of years, and sometimes that stuff composts and gets nice and muddy, harder to remove. So I just wanted to be careful, removed it by hand, and then right after I got all the debris out, I just kind of did what I call a dry rinse, where I just blow it out with the air blower like everything else. So now it's just a matter of tidying things up, climb down and clear up the debris that might have fallen on the ground. And we always leave it cleaner than when we arrived, so we won't just blow off the leaves that we knocked down, but anything else that's accumulated over the past year, we'll get that off too. Now, while I clear up the ground and make sure there's no leaves left behind, I'm also going to make sure that everything else is in ship shape. I'll take a look at each of the downspouts and make sure there's nothing else that could be causing blockages. You never know if some of that debris might have been knocked down into that bottom elbow, or in some cases we've seen where rodents or birds have built their little homes in those downspouts. So we just double check and make sure everything's as clear as can be. I like my customers to have peace of mind, so that's why I always remind them that for basic clean, we'll come back in the next month for any blockages. And if they do the Deluxe Package, we'll come back in the next 2 or 3 months for any issues. Anyways, now it's time to pack up and get on the road. That job was $169 plus tax and took about 45 minutes. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if this was helpful for you.